Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is pedagogy questions repeated in CTET exam. These questions have been taken from Concept and Nature of Social Science chapter. These are one-liner questions. So without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is the National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005 recommends that children's school education must be linked with. Here the answer is the outside school environment. Friends, these questions are repeated in the CTET exam more than 2 times. So please give focus on these questions. These are very important for the examination point of view. So let's move to question number 2. Curriculum Framework NCF 2005 for civics. Answer is social and political life. Question number 2 is in order to develop an understanding of democratic institutions, the most appropriate curricular approach is. Here the answer is provide examples of realities along with ideal situation. I repeat the question. In order to develop an understanding of democratic institutions, the most appropriate curricular approach is. Answer is provide examples of realities along with ideal situations. Question number 4 is why is the study of social science scientific? Answer is it comprises systematically acquired verified knowledge. Friends, most important question. Question number 5. According to the National Focus Group 2006, the teaching of social science losing popularity as dash. Answer is it presents several situations of human values. Question number 6. The National Curriculum Framework 2005 suggests that social science must link a child's life at school with. Answer is life outside the classroom. Question number 7. Study of social science subjects is vital as it enables children to. Answer is understand society and its environment. Question number 8 is maps and diagrams in a social science textbook are relevant as they dash. Answer clarify a concept. Maps and diagrams clarify a concept. So this is the right answer. Question number 9 is the teaching of school and political life textbooks at the upper primary level focuses on. आंसर किस पे फोकस करता है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अप्रोचेस, यानी कि उसमें 3-4 अप्रोचेस दी थी. सो आई हैव रिटन द आंसर हेयर. यू हैव टू टिक दिस ऑप्शन देयर. दैट इज लर्निंग थ्रू रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस. आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. द टीचिंग ऑफ सोशल साइंस social and political life textbooks at the upper primary level focuses on which one of the following approaches? Friends, 4 options are given there, but I have written only answer here. So this is the right option, that is learning through real life situations. What kind of language need to be used in social science teaching? Answer is neutral and sensitive. This is important question. What kind of language need to be used in social science teaching? That is neutral and sensitive. Question number 11 is at the upper primary stage social science comprises. Answer is geography, history, political science and economics. At the upper primary stage social science comprises geography, history, political science and economics. Question number 12 is while teaching social science a teacher must attempt to. While teaching social science, a teacher must attempt to. Answer is focus upon facts, values and patterns. Question number 13. The position paper on teaching of social science emphasizes. The position paper of teaching of social science emphasizes respecting different opinions and examining ideas and practices. Answer is respecting different opinions and examining ideas and practices. Question number 14 is, suppose the prescribed social science textbook is difficult for the students, what will you do? Answer is provide a variety of supplementary. Question number 15 is, what kind of outlook should be there towards social science textbooks? Answer is as an avenue to further inquiry. Question number 16 is, at the upper primary stage, geography and economics together can help in the dash. Answer is developing a perspective GT issues of environment, resources and development. Question number 17 is, in social science the recent NCF position paper on examination reform emphasizes continuous assessment. Question number 18. When a teacher uses individual experience in order to explain concepts in a social science class, then he/she is dash. I repeat the question. When a teacher uses individual experiences in order to explain concepts in a social science class, then he/she is. Answer is prompting the ability to relate their local reality with the global context. I repeat the answer. Prompting the ability to relate their local reality with the global context. Question number 19 is, capacity building programs are essential for the teacher of social science because dash. Answer is the require conceptual and pedagogical clarity in different components of social science. Question number 20 is, the National Curriculum Framework 2005 proposes that geography should be taught to dash. Answer is inculcate a critical appreciation for conservation and environment concerns. Question number 21 is, regarding pedagogy and resources for social science, the National Curriculum Framework 2005 says that teaching of social science must adopt dash. I repeat the question. Regarding pedagogy and resources for social science, the National Curriculum Framework 2005 says that teaching of social science must adopt dash. Answer is methods that promote creativity and critical perspective. Question number 22 is, the National Policy of Education NPE 1986 suggests the development of integrated programs for the dash. Answer is handicapped children to study in tablet schools. Question number 23 is, the context of social science should aim at. Answer is raising students' awareness through critically exploring and questioning of familiar social reality. Question number 24 is, in a pluralistic like ours, it is important that textbooks should be such that dash. Answer is all regions and social group we able to relate them. So friends, these were the 24 questions which we have done today. So thanks for watching this video. These are most important questions. You should try to revise these questions 2 or 3 times, so that during exam you should easily tick the option there. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Please press the bell icon to never miss any video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.